Alright, so here's the issue I've been having with my SCR diodes at random events. This is what happens. They pop right out. Cover goes flying across the room. I thought the 400 volts would be enough, but I guess not. So next time around I will order the 600 volts instead. But for now, no SDR methods because I ran out. So I'm using the tablet again, just triggering a transistor at this setting with a very sharp duty cycle here, which is acting as my dump for the capacitor here. Same circuit that I'm using, same coil. Now here's my neon indicator here. On the what you see here is when the neon flashes, so you don't even see it, it's such a little flash. Hold on. There. So anyways, that flash means that there's over 100 volts hitting the collector and the emitter, so the less the better, which means it helps me tune, because if the neon is on too much, I'm basically wasting, because it means there's over 100 volts. So as long as the capacitor is dumping properly, there shouldn't be peaks of over 100 volts, because we want it all to be dumped in the battery. So further going to do, it's charging the battery. And I'm completely flat dead right now, battery by the way. I'm just going to show you the indicator here on the meter. This is what we're getting here with the dump. Slow charge, but we're getting there. And just to show you, I want to show you the flash here. So I got the light connected. I'm just going to disconnect this part here. I'm going to show you the flash we get here from the dump. So obviously it's a very, very big flash. It's probably happening close to 100 volts. But this is what's getting in the battery from this generator here. Very good. So the neon's lighting up. So I'm going to turn this off now and put this back here into the battery. That was just to show you folks that there's a lot of energy discharges coming in. So here's that neon. As long as it's just a flash, it's good. I don't want it to stay on.